All I know is you. We could go anywhere, we could do anything or whatever the mood we're in. All I know is you. Getting lost late at night under the stars, finding love standing right where we are. Your lips, they put me in the moment. You and I alone, and people may be watching. I don't mind, 'cause anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. We don't need a fancy town, a borders I can't pronounce. 'Cause anywhere, babe, it's like Paris in the rain. When I met you, when I met you, Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. I look at you now and I want this forever. I might not deserve it, but there's nothing better to know. I would never did it all without you. My heart is about to jump out of my chest. Feelings they come and they go, they do. Feelings they come and they go now with you. The late night in the street lights, the people look at me, girl, and the whole world can stop. 'Cause anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. We don't need a fancy town, borders I can't pronounce. 'Cause anywhere, babe, it's like Paris in the rain. When I met you, when I met you, Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. Oh! Girl, when I'm not with you, all I do is miss you. So come and set the mood right underneath the moonlight. Days in Paris, nights in Paris, paint you with my eyes closed. Wonder where the time goes. Yeah. Isn't it obvious? Isn't it? Come and set the mood right underneath the moonlight. 'Cause everywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. Walking down an empty street, puddles underneath our feet.